This is the IrajStarTv, the breaking news. Accident in Samahni Azad Kashmir. 3 innocent students were the victims of a tragic accident. One of them lost his life, while 2 are in critical condition. Police file complaint against Samahni Azhar at Bernala police station in view of protest on social media. The accused is the daughter of the famous Jam Azhar. 3 brothers on a motorcycle were crushed when they were hit by a Prado car on its way to Barnala. One of them died, and the condition of 2 others was reported to be critical. The peacock in the Prado car also died in the accident, according to eyewitnesses. The accident happened due to overspeed. Immediately after the accident, the accused tried to flee but was thwarted by the Bernala police. Later, the accused has been shifted to DHQ Bhimber from Barnala police station for medical examination. Viewers, you too must express your opinion in the comment box. For more news and updates, subscribe to our channel.